Oh, look at my baby yan na. Anak, look at me. Oh, goy. Wala sa mood ang bata ito. Anak, where are you going, anak? Yeah. What?
The tablets also, in case she gets sick or something.
I think you still have there. I wanna sit now. Ate, put her. Outfit check, anak. Outfit check. Oh, put her.
Ito kinain ng daga.
Oh, nakagat yan ng daga. Oh,
Careful.
Loli.
Sure, skirt is also proper.
Hi, babe. Happy? Happy yarn? Ulit may... Parang may dumi pa yung ilong niya, Col. Where is the baby Yana? Why my baby Yana so pretty today? Oh, itali mo yan sa ilalim. Anak, look at me here. Smile, pretty princess. Tapos daan natin ni Col. Gate. We're going to the doctor today. But sa kabila tayo dadaan. Ano ba ito? Ba't merong paano dito? Pabasura. Hawak mo siya. Anong mayroon dito? May banggaan ba? Ay. Nagasgasan. Nagasgasan yung sasakyan ni ate. Areglo na lang kayo niyan. Lakad lang kami kasi malapit lang naman yung clinic ng baby Yana namin. Anak, can you sit properly? Cool ba? Nahirapan naman yan siya. Cool, ayusin mo nga. Paupuin mo ng mayos. Sit properly, anak. There you go. Just like that. Cute naman ang anak ko na yun. Cutie-cutie pie naman yan, baby. Oh, dahan-dahan sa kulong. Where? Wala pa si ate mo. Mabagal si ate maglakad. Kumuha ng pera si ate nak para sa pang mo nak check up. Buti na lang, hindi mainit nak, no? Wait nga lang, antayin natin sa ate dito nak. Wait, ate. Oh, come here, up here. Up here. Ikaw na lang. You have to stand up, anak. You have to stand up here, anak. Don't be scared. Hindi ko mag-adjust. Don't kasi dulo. And then, here, just sit down. Ay, stand up. Look at this. That's okay, that's okay. Oh, look at this one, bird. Can you see this bird? It is a bird. What does the bird say? Oh, it's okay, anak. Oh, don't touch me. Just stand up. Just stand up. It's okay. Don't be scared. Why are you scared now? It's okay. I'm gonna get your wait. Come on. Stand up here. Stand up. Mama will give you rollies. You want Jollibee later? I'll give you Jollibee. Oh, hold this one here first. Hold it first. Just real quick. Real quick only. Hold it here. Don't touch, mommy. Don't touch. Hold it here. Hold it. It's okay. Ay, naku. Wala sa mood ang bata dito. Alam mo na mangyayari. Ano? We're done. No more. No more injection. Okay. Well, next week, next week.
No more na this week.
No more for now.
Next week.
No more. Next week. Oh, yung no. Hi, Lolis. Sweet, ma. Say thank you po. Oh, wala na.
Hi.
Wala na. Okay, so baby na natako na trauma talaga siya. Hindi naman ikaw ganyan baby dati eh. Ha? Pinaulit-ulit kasi sa taas eh.
Kasi inanap mo.
Oo, hinanap. Siguro talagang tandang-tanda niya, no? Talagang takot na siya sa injection. I'm so sorry, baby. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, we're done si Tay. Ha? Wawa naman tong baby ko na to, nag-cry. Okay, let's go back to daddy na. Uwi na kami, tapos na kami sa aming injection. Let me check, anak. Got something in your eye. Okay, let's go home. Come here. Go home na kami. Ganun lang kadali. Wala masyadong tao. Kami yung nauna. Okay. Assist Ate Nicole. What happened?
What, garbage guy came?
Yeah.
What is she having?
I told her to not give her any
What is that?
watermelon.
Don't give her chocolate.
Babe, she was eating, babe. What happened? Flexing my hair. I love my hair. Look at that. Nakuha ko din yung gusto kong haircut. Yung pa-layer na butterfly. Butterfly. Basta yun yung tawag nila. Ganda. Pretty. Ganda ng hair ko. Pumagay lang sa akin. Comment down below kung maganda talaga. You pay him already.
I didn't pay.
You said yesterday.
Today is Tuesday.
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Bye-bye, Dada. Go to work, Dada. No, anak, that's not food, anak.
What's that she gave you?
Beauty soap. Bye-bye, Dada.
Did you get hurt somewhere? Oh, she got hurt. See this?
That's okay. Bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye.
Bye then.
Bye-bye, Dada. Bye-bye. Tawa-tawa ka dyan.